New at 11, staff vacancies, overworked teachers, and new testing options. Those were just a few of the topics discussed at tonight's Chesapeake School Board meeting. Sarah Hammond was there and tells us what you need to know.
Monday night, the Chesapeake School Board heard from teachers who say they're exhausted. They also offered up some solutions on how to cut down the number of students in quarantine and keep them in class. The last 18 months have been tough for teachers.
I'm going to begin with a direct quote from a teacher. Staff morale is at a low I didn't know existed.
We have blended the pre-pandemic and the pandemic requirements of our employees without taking nearly anything off their plates.
The Chesapeake School Board says they're still down 66 teachers. One step the board is taking to help their exhausted staff is to partner with a tutoring service for the elementary school to help keep students on track when they have to quarantine.
However, because our existing staffing levels are not where they need to be, we plan to utilize contracted tutors to support individual or small groups of students while they are learning from home during the school day.
From October 11th to the 17th, they had 534 students in quarantine. That's down 150 from the week before, which Cotton says he's glad to see. So to keep those numbers going down, they're implementing a new testing strategy.
While our COVID-19 data are decreasing, which is a good sign, we are seeing an increase in flu and strep throat, which is common for this time of the year.
COVID-19, strep, and the flu all have similar symptoms. So starting Tuesday, to avoid unnecessarily quarantining students who have symptoms, they can request an at-home rapid test from a school nurse. If they're fever-free for 24 hours with a negative test and no known exposure to COVID-19, they can return to school. However, students who have been exposed still need to quarantine. In Chesapeake, Sarah Hammond, 13 News Now.
The school board also discussed its 10-year capital improvement plan, which includes projects that cost more than $100,000. The board says it will focus on maintenance projects first. They plan to replace 13 roofs, 24 HVAC units, and repave 9 schools. About $36 million will go towards modernizing schools around the district, building additions and technology upgrades. A new elementary school in the Deep Creek area is also in the works. It will help with overcrowding that is scheduled to open in 2027.